Hey guys, it's Charlene. How are you? I'm feeling allergic, but I'm going to make the best of my day. So I started on my coastal farmhouse hallway makeover, and I'm showing you the video from the perspective of the before, okay? So this is not a completed project. I still have so much to do. First of all, we have originally had the big truck and dirt bike in the hallway, and the walls got scuffed up. I had a million collages on these walls and took them down, so I have a bunch of nail holes to fill. So I have to repaint the walls, the ceiling, and my floors are very old. The stain is wearing down, and I don't like that color anymore. So I'm going to change the floors as well. So I have a lot of things to do here. So the simplest thing for me in this makeover actually was just to decorate it and make it look pretty while I tackle these projects, because I hate this type of work. So it always takes me forever to do. But I've committed to painting, so just stay tuned, y'all. So this is the before. Nothing's dusted or clean or, so hey, this is real life. Did end up taking back that sail away with me picture. The scale was off and the design was off, and those two pieces of greenery I ended up putting outside because I didn't like the quality. So I wanted something that resembled seaweed, but it was too plasticky, so I decided to stick it in my faux topiary. I have to decide, am I painting the inside? Am I going to do some type of treatment? I don't know yet. We'll see. Let's go to HomeGoods. Go back from those baskets. Nothing says coastal like that weave to me.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do.
And here's what I picked up. A $7 table runner, a pack of 12 ruffled napkins for $8. Can you believe it? And they're huge. I mean, I just love them. I already started using them because it was just a fantastic find. And that's why I love going to HomeGoods. I head straight for the clearance section. So I found these two batter bowls. They were $6 and then $4. So less than, $10. I got both of those beautiful pink large batter bowls. And I already started using my napkins. So I'm using it as a runner here, which I want a runner for my buffet in the kitchen, but I haven't found the one I'm looking for, so whatever. And then I put some on my chair in the hallway just because I wanted to use them. And then I started on this makeover backwards. So I'm gonna wash everything down. After the video, I'm gonna start on filling the holes and stuff. But I did do my picture frames. So these were some old pictures I had from Kirkland's back when I was in my Tuscan phase, and I just simply chalkboard painted them. So it's a chalkboard. And then I distressed the frames myself using the wet distress method. So you paint it on and then you just gently wipe off to get it to look like, it's been a chippy paint effect. And then I did a quick little craft with some seashells and hung up my burlap wreath, and I think it looks pretty cute. And how darling is my farmhouse bench with my newly found runner doubling as a throw, and my beach house pillow that I got, and that was Ray Dunn, and that was $19. I found that at HomeGoods, I think, or Marshalls. Maybe Marshalls, I'm thinking, yeah. But it was so cute, I couldn't pass it up. So my idea for this farmhouse coastal theme is to kind of keep things simple. Oh, I'm showing you my black wall because in the mirror looks black, but it's not. It's reflecting the wall across from it, which is a black wall. So I have to decide if I want to paint this black wall because the hallway is small, the floors are dark, so it's very limited in brightness down there. Oh, and I have to change out my lighting fixtures. I want to update them. But anyway, the black wall. But I love my black wall. You know, and on a lot of the walls in the house are already white. So, I don't know. My daughter says I should leave it. I haven't decided what I want to do. But stay tuned, y'all. It's a never-ending battle in here. I start one project, I get tired, and I move on to the next, and that's just how it goes. But thank you for hanging out with me today. I think I covered everything I want to talk about. So yes, lots of changes and lots of refreshing. Of course, you know, I try to use what I have before I go purchase. In this case, I can't use any paint. I don't have enough paint, and I have to start to buy paint. I have to decide what to do about this floor. Am I going to go darker? Am I staining it? Am I painting it? Such, you know, weighty decisions to be made. Until next time, y'all have a great day.
We're just beautiful creatures, singing loudly on the floor. We could dance forever until they kick us out the door. All I hear is blah, 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 blah. Followed by the blah, 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 blah. I don't wanna talk, 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 talk. Oh my God, oh my God. Taking out a queen like me, but I am on vacation. Silhouette of the location. Now we have vacation. Suddenly you're around. We're just beautiful creatures, singing loudly on the floor. We could dance